Attract heartworm and other parasites, and not only is it dangerous to your pet, but it's dangerous to your health as well.
That's right, and joining us with ways you can prevent your pet from suffering from parasites is our Ask a Doctor, or rather Ask a Vet, Dr. Jill Rubin from her clinic in Orangevale. Good morning, and thank you for joining us. And
good morning.
Let's just start right away. All right, so summertime, why is it so dangerous for our pets to be out and about?
Well, first of all, pets are walking on the ground, they're stepping into contaminated water sources, certain fecal matter, and those things can be transmitted to you, your pet, and your children as well. So especially the weather's warming up now, parasites are at an all-time high.
All right, so Dr. Jill, what can we do to protect our pets?
Well, first of all, you want to make sure that they're on a proper heartworm prevention. Also, there's a brand new tick collar out from, it's called Excalibur. It's a 6-month protector. It's excellent for ticks. You can see some of our ticks here on the table. You want to make sure that all of the meat that you feed your animals and yourself, you cook. A lot of people think sushi is the main culprit, but actually people aren't cooking their lamb and their pork and their beef. So you want to make sure, because here's a lovely tapeworm, unfortunately, and that's actually a tapeworm that a dog or a human can get. That's pretty nasty looking. And then also, people don't realize that chickens have parasites, and we've had an all-time high here this year with, I see a lot of chickens in my practice, and so make sure you wash the outside of your eggs. Make sure that some people have actually cracked their eggs open and found the parasite in there, so a proper deworming protocol for your chickens, for your pets, really important all year round.
Wow. Okay, so, and you're explaining how obviously humans can contract these diseases. So I guess, what should we be doing? I mean, do we keep our pets indoors? Do we make sure that they just bathe them regularly, or?
Great questions. First and foremost, really important to have your pets checked at least yearly, if not twice a year, for parasites. You can do that by taking a small container. Your veterinarian will actually supply these to you. They're free. And then the samples run anywhere between $30 to $50, depending on what parasite test you're doing. Make sure that all of your pets, dog, cat, horse, pig, whatever, chicken, that you have an annual fecal examination as well. And then, again, a proper protocol. Your barn animals get dewormed every 3 to 4 months. And I'm happy to hear that. And then your dogs and cats, they can either be on a monthly dewormer. You can do topical flea medication as well, because fleas carry tapeworms also. Really important that people don't realize that. Fleas are everywhere. Now's the season. It's all warming up, and so the fleas are really out there as well.
All right, Jill, 20 seconds or less, some of the things that we can see with our animals to know that they're sick.
Symptoms, yes.
Well, make sure their stool is normal. Sometimes it'll get runny or bloody color, vomiting, diarrhea, weight loss, poor hair coat, and overall eating a good diet, really important. Make sure it's cooked and you take good care of them. Make sure you take them to the veterinarian at least once a year. Again, heartworm prevention is huge right now, so make sure they're on a good heartworm prevention as well.
Hi, Dr. Jill, thank you so much again, and we'll see you next week. All right, if you have any questions for Dr. Jill, you can email her at mobilevetjill, and that's JYL, at yahoo.com, or call 916-989-0738.
All right, getting now to our viewers' voice, and